Our Rydell Honda Nissan Service Center offers a full range of services to meet all of your vehicle's needs, from routine maintenance like oil changes and tire rotations to advanced diagnostics and repairs. And with our Honda and Nissan certified technicians, you can trust that your vehicle is in the hands of experts trained specifically for your vehicle. We do not just service Honda and Nissan vehicles. We proudly service all makes and models. No matter what you drive, our team has the expertise and tools to handle your vehicle with care and precision. Need us? We're easy to find. Heading south on South Washington Street, cross the intersection at South Washington and 32nd Avenue. Take the first right onto the frontage road, which will lead directly to our parking lot. Pull up to the door on the left and it will automatically open for you. Once the door opens, you can drive in and you will be greeted by one of our friendly staff members. Thank you for choosing Rydell Honda Nissan Services Center. With our certified technicians' expertise in all makes and models and comprehensive services, we're here to keep your vehicle in top condition for years to come. Real life, real relationships, real Rydell.